Hi, I'm here at South by Southwest. We're at the Experience Cantina for Accenture Interactive at Micheladas. We've got a lot of different extended reality demos here. So right behind me we have an augmented reality demo using mobile AR for Whole Foods, the brand 365, which is letting potential shoppers get access to products easier and more customized to their needs. We also have a demo pilot for the NFL, which lets coaches and players sort of understand the moves that they need to take when they're training for games. We also have two demos from Macavision, one that shows a Mercedes and a Ferrari, so really high-end quality visuals of those cars in virtual reality. We have two fashion demos, Behind the Styles, which lets you see in 360 video the ability to be on a fashion shoot and through gaze-based interaction potentially purchase what the models are wearing. Additionally, once again through Macavision, we have an experience which is a luxury retail showroom where you're able to pick up very high-end luxury items like Louis Vuitton bag, a pair of sneakers, very high quality, and see in virtual reality those come to life. Additionally, we have for Boeing a HoloLens experience where you can visualize the plane right in front of you. You can also see it through the AR Kit demo. Additionally, we have Antenna, which is 3D holographics. It's amazing visualization of faces, of objects, really, really cool dynamic stuff that brands are using right now to show the power of 3D holographic imagery. So I spoke about extended reality and the end of distance. And what that is about is the power and potential of this new technology to sort of help businesses get closer to their customers and to fulfill the need of something that's needed here but exists there. So that the idea that virtual reality and augmented reality technologies are able to connect people closer together, to bring valuable information close to when somebody needs it. So if they're working, if they're on the field, they have contextual overlays of data through their glasses. And it's also the ability to create closer distance to new experiences. So being able to transport yourself to different countries, different environments, being able to attend live events from your own living room or home. So this whole notion that these technologies are not necessarily, creating more isolation, but they're actually bringing us closer together in some revolutionary new ways. So we're seeing businesses, particularly in areas like manufacturing, Boeing, GE, being able to use assisted reality glasses to help workers be more productive. So it's giving them directional guidance and data overlays, so it's training them what's the information they need on the moment, on the spot, to get their tasks and job done. We're also seeing immersive training being used. So you see an example like Striver for the Olympics. Rather than have the athletes need to go in advance to China, they were able to, rather than have the athletes go in advance to South Korea, they're able to train in the environment of their own home. So it's bringing the Olympics to the athletes in advance. Also for people who wanted to watch the Olympics, you could watch the Olympics live. So in that situation, bringing content that people care about closer to them. Another ways that businesses are using these technologies would be through dealerships. So Mercedes, Ferrari, those are two brands that we have here that are trying to sell really high-end luxury items and cars to potential consumers. Now users can actually visualize and see those cars in the environment of their own home. They don't necessarily need to go to the dealership. And when those cars aren't yet manufactured or they want to have advanced previews and showings, the dealerships can actually show those cars using virtual reality without the physical car being there. So we're closing the gap of distance between customers and dealerships. As virtual reality technology evolves, multiplayer or multi-participant experiences are going to be very key. So we have here at the Cantina an experience called Arena, which allows multiple players to come together in one environment. And that's going to also help transform how businesses operate and work together. So the ability to be able to collaborate, NVIDIA's holodeck, where people can design and build a car together in one space, the ability to telepresence different employees into one environment so they can communicate. So we're going way beyond Skype. The idea is to have people actually work together, brainstorm together, collaborate together, design together in one environment and space. Another area in which we're kind of closing the gap of distance between potential employees and businesses is through remote expertise and guidance. So you're seeing new tools and technologies that enable us to sort of pull in holographs or virtual avatars or representations of individuals, whether it be in healthcare or once again manufacturing, where those individuals appear and can give expertise and guidance where otherwise we might not be able to access them.